developers really want. Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers and build custom software solutions. So I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology, teams, and products. So the 2024 Stack Overflow Developer Survey is out, and it's packed with insights that every developer and tech leader should pay attention to. One of the big takeaways, developers want more opportunities to grow, more learning resources, and more flexibility in how they work. This isn't just a trend, it's a clear signal that the industry is evolving and developers are leading the charge. They're no longer content with just writing code, and they want to be part of a dynamic, learning-driven environment. So let's talk about some more of these today. All right, one of the standout findings is that developers are increasingly prioritizing work-life balance. The days of glorifying burnout are fading, and developers are looking for roles that respect their time and their well-being. This shift is critical for companies to understand if they want to attract and retain skilled developers. It's not just about offering remote work, it's about creating a culture that values mental health and a personal time. As a leader with 25 years in the industry, I've seen the toll that burnout can take, and it's refreshing to see this change in priorities. So another interesting point from the survey is the emphasis on continuous learning. Developers are eager to keep their skills sharp, and they're seeking out opportunities for professional development more than ever. This means that companies need to invest in their employees' growth, offering training, certifications, and time to explore new technologies. It's a win-win. Developers stay engaged and up to date, and companies benefit from having cutting-edge team. Remember, in the fast-paced world of tech, standing still is the quickest way to fall behind. So make sure you go back and check out our previous videos, because we have hundreds of free coding samples that we give away totally for free with free tutorials to go with them. So check out our previous samples and make sure you like and subscribe to the page. And as always, leave a comment to say hi. Now, the survey also highlights a growing demand for transparency and communication from leaders. Developers want to know what they're coding, not just be code monkeys after all. They crave an understanding of the company's vision, strategy, and how their work fits into the bigger picture. This desire for transparency is a call to action for leaders to be more open and communicative. In my experience, when developers feel connected to their mission, their work becomes more meaningful and their productivity soars. Now, one area that stood out in the survey is the increasing popularity of DevOps and continuous integration, continuous deployment, or CI/CD practices. Developers are leaning heavily into these methodologies to streamline workflows and improve code quality. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about fostering a culture of collaboration and efficiency. If you're not already on board with DevOps, it might be time to catch up. The industry is moving towards faster, more reliable deployment cycles, and embracing these practices is key to staying competitive. So security is another major concern that developers are placing at the forefront of their work. With the rise of cyber threats, there's a growing awareness that security needs to be integrated into every stage of the development process. The survey shows that developers are hungry for more knowledge in this area, and they're seeking tools and practices that can help them build secure applications. This isn't just a checkbox item, it's a core part of developing robust, reliable software. Companies that invest in security training and tools will be better positioned to handle the challenges of the modern digital landscape. So another key takeaway is the growing preference for open source software and contributions. Developers are not only using open source tools more than ever, but they're also actively contributing to these projects. This collaborative spirit is reshaping the industry, and companies that encourage open source contribution can benefit from a more engaged and skilled workforce. Embracing open source isn't just about saving money on software, it's about being part of a global community that's pushing technology forward. Now, the survey highlights the importance of ethical considerations in development. Developers are increasingly aware of the impact their work has on society, and they want to ensure that they're building technology that does more good than harm. Whether it's data privacy, AI ethics, or sustainable code practices, developers are looking for employers who take these issues seriously. This shift towards ethical development is something that every company should be paying attention to. After all, building with integrity isn't just the right thing to do, it's also good for business. So in conclusion, the 2024 Stack Overflow Developer Survey offers a clear picture of what developers want in today's tech landscape. I'll leave the link down below, where they're also looking for growth, balance, transparency, and the opportunity to make a positive impact through their work. For companies, this means creating an environment that supports these needs and staying ahead of the industry trends. The future of tech belongs to those who can adapt to these evolving expectations and provide the tools, culture, and opportunities that developers are seeking. If you're ready to step up, the possibilities are endless. Now, what do you think? think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Here at Starter Pack, we love having a great, healthy discussion. So make sure to leave a comment down below. Here at Starter Pack, we love to train software developers in our coding boot camps and to build custom software solutions for companies. So if your company needs help, make sure to hit up starterpack.com/Spencer, or if you're interested in the coding boot camp, hit up starterpack.com, and we'll catch you guys next time.